Hello everyone, I'm Avishek and I am a test engineer from India and I'll be today quickly sharing a couple of topics, couple of few things about software testing from my experience and as part of this End Days End Learnings series by Gandhar. I thank Gandhar for the opportunity to share this with all of you. So today let's quickly talk about a few things that I have felt that it has been quite beneficial for me and the way I'm doing it, and I hope it might help others as well. So talking about this topic today is a presentation of testing that you can see in the slide. What we do is that we all do testing in a different ways, different approaches, different tools and all, but in the end that we need to actually share the details of the testing, what we have done so far, what is the testing report, right? So that the team knows exactly what we have done, and the confidence depends on the report that we give as a tester. That it's our primary responsibility to actually uh, present the entire testing activity. We need to tell the story of the testing that we have done so far, right? So saying the pass or fail without any context doesn't make sense. So we need to actually have this is very important things to present yourself, what you have done so far, so that the team, whole team, and your people who wants to take a decision based on your report, right, they can have the confidence. So I feel that there are a couple of ways that we can do to achieve this. Few things I'll be sharing here. Maybe there are different ways to do, but everyone has their own way to present it. But the presentation is important. My point is that. So here, in the second slide, what I have is a couple of points. We all do testing. We have things to test, and we have the requirements and all the stuff. When we start testing it, based on the individuals, they have their own ways to test, document, and prepare the notes and all those stuff, right? So when it comes to the presentation, when you are saying that I'm done with the testing and this is what I have tested, and this is my test reports or something. So nowadays we all are working in a very fast paced or manner. We are working on remotely, we are working from home, so it is also very difficult to present yourself and communicate yourself so clearly. If it is in person, then it's fairly easy to actually tell someone about your testing stories and all those stuff. But when coming to especially from remote working, right, it's very difficult to actually present and communicate in that effective manner. So couple of things that we can do to have improve that. So when we are trying to present it or share the report after we are done with the testing, so we can follow a couple of things. First point is that meaningful context with the respect to what is being tested, meaning we have to be very clear what we are going to test. We know it properly, right? We understand them properly and give the context of it, right? So in that report, if someone is looking at the report, if we test a lot of things, right? So if we can give a context that what is this report all about, what is being tested or what we have tested, that context would help understand the reader to actually go through the report. And second thing is the details of your test plan and scenarios, right? So when we test something, then we have details of them, right? What are the plan scenario? If you have documentations, we can attach them. Or then review and feedback, we must have talked to our team members for reviews and feedback, so that will help us fill the gap. If we are missing anything, then we can, it's very good idea to have a review feedback always. Second, last point is that walkthrough of testing activities, meaning the report. So in that we need to have all these things in that report. So I prefer to have a video, because it is more effective. In the video I can show what is the context, what is the details, what is the test plans and all the stuff. And also, if you feel that details, having of a detailed documentation is also helpful as per your team, then it's very good. But I think nobody likes so much of detailed documentation, going through that details, right? So it is very good to have a quick video that will be very quick with all these points that I have mentioned: meaningful context, details of a plan, how did you test, and what is the review and feedback you got from the team, and then a video, short video like this. This is also a short video about it. I think that's it from my end. And